it up the hill, one of the hills over here behind the governor's mansion. It's been a while since I've done that hill. I kind of stayed out of this area during the COVID quarantine period. It was overrun with people, some who have never been out here before. I find it a little more difficult to take Nitro out if there's a lot of people or dogs in the area. There's a little trail off to the side here that bikers tend to go down. It's insane. There's no way. I'll hike down a little bit of it, but it's so steep that there's no way I'd make it down walking, much less biking. Easy. 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 Nitro makes a great trail dog in that easy. He does know on the downhill to wait for me. Easy. And he also knows that I fall. And when I fall, he comes back and waits for me. And in his own little way, uses his head to help push me back up. It's not anything I really taught him. I think it was just instinctual. Easy. Easy. Yeah, unfortunately, videos do not do trails justice. The angle on this, like, let me turn around. Hold on. It's way up there that I just went down. My feet are really trying hard to grip. Well, it's actually mud right now. It's not that loose of dirt, so actually traction right now is pretty good going down this. So right here is where the cliff is. So yeah, people will nope, Nitro, we're not going down there. People will bike down this all the way and actually go all the way down there, which is insane. I actually videoed on my way through the trail from the bottom. I videoed this trail going up. So hopefully maybe I can mesh the two. But now we're going to try to head back up this. The other great thing that Nitro does, come on, let's go back up. When we're going up a trail, he's great at pulling. So if you're in need of a little assistance getting back up the hill, he's got you. We've been hiking together for, gosh, 4 years now. I think since he was 1. We've been out here hiking. So he's pretty good about knowing how to hike with somebody. The only thing I would say makes it difficult is when there's another dog or person, I have to stop and hold him. So anyway, yeah. So that was a monstrous bike hill. It amazes me how quickly the trails change out here. They wash out and can make things very different over the course of a year. Another little bridge out here. One of the less busy trails, I would say. So we're getting ready to come back out of the trails. I'm hearing noises out by the river, and it sounds like somebody has launched an airboat. So we're gonna go check it out. Nitro likes to go take a swim, so he's pretty hot right now. Maybe we can catch the airboat on the water. So that was interesting. Got to see the airboat, and it's the game wardens. Basically, we had a long chat, and they said they usually take out the airboat when they're out looking for kayakers. They got in over their heads out there in the river. So they said here lately it's happening more often because people over the quarantine were going out to like just at general stores, I'm not going to name names, and buying any old kayak and putting it on water, not really knowing what's going on with the water, what the dangers are, or what their abilities are. And they have to go out and rescue the kayakers in the airboat. So they're out there looking for kayakers. So it's a hot one. And we made it back to the car in the parking lot. Nitro is way back in the back right now, enjoying some cooler air. I'm gonna drive back down and see what's going on at the river one more time, because the guys that I was talking to said another boat was going to show up here shortly that goes out on the big lakes, and I don't know if I would be able to catch it or not, but that'd be pretty cool if it could possibly show up while I'm just hanging out for a little bit. So the second boat did show up right now, and I'm gonna sit and watch them put it in. We're tired and decided to slow down.